Must-have marketing tools for your dropshipping business. Are you looking to boost your dropshipping business? The secret lies in using the right marketing tools. In today's video, we'll explore some of the must-have marketing tools that can help you elevate your dropshipping game, drive sales, and stay ahead of the competition. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Product images. High-quality product images are a must. Use tools like Canva and Adobe Spark to edit and enhance images. Better images mean better sales, simple as that. Number 2. Social media management. Stay active on social media with tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. Schedule posts, engage your audience, and watch your brand grow without spending hours online. Number 3. Email marketing. Email marketing is key for customer retention. Use MailChimp or Klaviyo to automate campaigns and target specific groups. Personalized emails can boost sales and loyalty. Number 4. SEO tools. SEO drives organic traffic. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs help you find the right keywords and optimize content, keeping your store easy to find. Number 5. Image translation and analytics. Go global with ImageTranslate, an AI translation tool that helps you translate text within images into multiple languages, making it ideal for international markets. And don't forget to use Google Analytics to track performance and make data-driven decisions. And that's a wrap. These tools are game changers for your dropshipping business. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.